You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Ledger to Coinbase. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started, here's what you need first. So the first thing you need is your Ledger device, which is the Nano X or the Nano X. Then afterwards, we also need the Ledger Live app installed and updated. Then your Coinbase wallet address for your crypto you are transferring, which can be in BTC or Ethereum. Then after that, you have to transfer from the Ledger to Coinbase. So to do this, open the Coinbase, then go to send section, go to send or receive, and click on receive. Then after that, select the crypto you want to receive, which can be in Bitcoin. Then after that, copy the wallet address shown. You can also double check it for the correct coin. Then after that, launch your Ledger Live, then connect and unlock your Ledger device. Then from there, go to the account tab, then select account holding, the crypto you want to send. And after that, you have to click on send, then paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount to send, then choose the network fee. If you choose the higher, then it will be faster, depends on the network fee. Then after that, you have to review the transaction details and confirm on your Ledger device, then wait for confirmation. This can take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network, and that's how you can simply send money from Ledger to Coinbase. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.